Hey guys, what's up? It's me, your girl Brianna, and I'm back with another hair tutorial. If you are an existing dal, hey dals, and if you are a new dal, hey girl, hey. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and become a new dal if you are new. But y'all, we gotta get into this hair. Like, it's giving very much lace with scalp. It's getting very much blended. It's getting very much rich bee vibes. I don't know. I'm in love, and I didn't want to put any parts or nothing in this unit. I just wanted this unit to be as is. I wanted this unit to be flawless. I didn't even put any layers in this. Like, I just wanted curls. I just wanted it to flow. Y'all, I want to get into this tutorial. So if y'all want to see how I achieve this beautiful unit and see how this melts, this lace melts into my skin, what? Please keep on watching because y'all just gotta see this.
The cut crease queen, yeah. She got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with
Guys, hey, I'm back with another YouTube video, but today isn't an ordinary YouTube video. It's a sponsored video featuring Xrsbeauty. They sent over a wig to me and to try for you all on their new lace. So let's get into the box and see what they are giving. Opening the box, you see the first thing is the wig, the star of the show. We have a straight 20-inch wig, 200% density, and their new clear lace, y'all. And I cannot wait to try it. Y'all gonna see how it melts. Then you have clips. I'm so glad they gave these because I needed those. A brush and a comb and a wig cap and some flexi rods in case you want to flexi rod this hair. This is the wig straight out of the box, and it is giving, y'all see the luster of the wig, the clear lace that it looks like it's already melted. I don't even see the lace, y'all. I love everything about this wig, and I did go ahead and bleach it off camera, and I'm going to show you how I plucked it. It is a pre-plucked wig, so you don't have to pluck it, but me, I love my wigs to be plucked more than what it was giving. But overall, they did a great job with pre-plucking this. But y'all already know I'm going to go ahead and pluck some more. So I'm going to show y'all in detail what I did to pluck this wig even more to the likings that I wanted. Let's start off on the right side of the wig first. And I'm going to part where they plucked, where you see that they plucked really nice at. And I'm going to part it to show you all that behind it isn't plucked as much as I would like it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pluck it. Yeah. I'm going to take my tweezers and I'm going to pluck periodically in different places, like pluck, skip, pluck, skip, pluck, skip, pluck, skip. After I see that I like the pluck pattern, I'm going to part it again and I'm going to do the same method behind their hairline. So I do this 4 times in 4 sections, and that's how you do it. What I will say is when I did bleach the frontal and wash the hair out, it did kind of have a smell and I didn't like that, but that's the only thing about this wig. See how I plucked the wig, y'all? I didn't go ahead and pluck the front because it was already plucked. I just parted it and plucked whatever was in the back. And I did go ahead and pluck the middle part, but I'm going to show y'all how I plucked the other side. If y'all want a really detailed tutorial on how I pluck, let me know. I've been asking y'all, so y'all gotta let me know if y'all want a really good detailed video. So I'm going to pluck the left side, and yeah, the same thing I did on the right side, I did on the left. All right, y'all, look at it. It's plucked. I did go ahead and hot comb it just so that I could see what was going on. And I love how I plucked this wig, y'all. It just looks so good to me. Some may say like, oh, it might be a little bald, but I don't know. I honestly like the way that I plucked it. On to the curling. I did take these Babe Bliss curlers. I think these are 1 inch, and I'm just going to curl and pin curl. I do this in every one of my tutorials because this is all I know how to do is curl. I am going to try to wand it, not on my head, or try to get my mom to wand it, because I like to pin curls, any kind of curls, only because I do makeup, so I want the curls to last. I don't want to just put the wig on my head and then curl it and then the curls just drop. So I love to pin a curl. And I'm going to do this all throughout the head, so it's just repetitive. You just watch, and I'm going to move on to the next step. All right, so now that the hair is pinned, I didn't pin the front because I am going to just leave that out because I need to cut the lace and everything else. I'm going to spray this lace tint onto this hair, well, the clear lace, and I'm also going to let this dry for at least like 10 minutes so that it can like stick to this clear lace. Once that's done drying, what I'm going to do now is prep my ball cap so that I can put this lace on. Oh, y'all, watch this melt. Watch this melt, baby. In my wig up, and I placed it right where I want it to be, right at the tip of where the hair begins, on top of the glue that I applied on the ball cap. And I'm meshing this together with my hands. You can use a comb however you want to. Just know that you have to push this in so that it can adhere to the glue. And yeah, y'all, I'm going to put my band on and let it dry under the dryer for about like 15 to 20 minutes, and I'll come back when it's time to cut the lace. Going ahead and cutting the ear tabs off. I usually have my mom do this part, but I saw and I conquered. Okay, so I did both sides, and then I also went ahead and cut the middle of the lace, and then I'm going to take my razor because I love the jagged edge that it gives when cutting the lace. Y'all see the melt? Okay, I'm gonna go back in. I'm gonna glue some parts, but y'all see the melt. Y'all see the melt. And yeah, when I say jagged edges that the razor gives, this is what I'm talking about. It has no straight line or nothing of where it's going. And I'll do it just like that. After I do cut this, I am going to take my Xrsbeauty melt band, and I'm going to put this on after I get done gluing the pieces that are not glued down, and I'm going to sit in the dryer for another 10 to 15 minutes. For some reason my edges got cut off. I did use Xrsbeauty glue, and I parted the edges that I wanted out, and voila, here goes my edges. Boom. Period. I did go ahead and do my makeup, so y'all gonna see it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. 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 Girl, really? Okay. Well, I lied. So I did go ahead and take some of that what is that? Foundation, and I did pat it on top of the lace so that it can melt into my skin more. Alright, y'all. So I thought I was gonna get my hair curled. So what I'm gonna do is take out these pin curls. Y'all, this look is it's the red lip for me. I'm just start doing my lips with black. Like, I don't know. It's giving me fall. I don't want any curls in this. When I'm done taking these pin curls out, I'm gonna come back because I got short memory. Y'all remember I told y'all I left the front out because I was gonna go back in and curl it? Well, this is the part. So I did go ahead and take the same curlers and curl the front. Just every which way. I really love the no part. I love a no part, and I think I'm gonna be doing this from now on. And I'm catching feelings, baby. You give me, you give me. I didn't want any part in the middle or on the sides. I just wanted it just like this, something cute, where I could flip it either way. It's giving. It's giving. Do y'all see how the lace is melted? I love it. So this is it for the look. I might hot comb it. I might not, just to leave that hump right there. But yeah, I love how this look came out. I was having a hard time curling it, y'all. That's where I was. That's what goes on behind the scenes. Too good. Okay, yeah. So you just have to play with this hair, y'all. Just play with it and you'll get what you want. Don't forget to go check out Xrsbeauty in the description bar below. You will definitely love their clear lace. Their clear lace is bomb because baby, this looks like it's melting into my skin. I don't see no lace wear. And I think I did this tutorial. But yeah, y'all. Don't forget to click that like button. Also, if you are new here, don't forget to go subscribe and show me some love because I love my new nails. So comment down below if y'all like this look. And until then, I'll see you guys on my next tutorial.